In this video, we'll look at how to merge linked files into a PDF document with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. The aim is to append external files referenced in links and bookmarks to a PDF. Opening these links then directs you to the corresponding PDF pages instead of opening the files or web pages themselves. In the sample document we'll use to demonstrate, clicking this bookmark opens a spreadsheet. One link opens a Word document, and the other one opens a PDF. You can use this method to convert various link and bookmark actions, such as opening another file, going to a specific page in another document, or opening a web link. Once processed, the external documents will be added to the end of the existing PDF, so clicking links directs the user to the appended pages. The first page of each linked file will be opened, with a bookmark created for it. Let's take a look at how to open this tool. With the suitable documents open in Acrobat, select Plugins in the upper menu, then Merge Documents, and Merge linked files into current document. When the dialog box opens, select the desired options. For this example, we'll select the Adjust Links and Bookmarks to point to correct pages option. This redirects links from opening external files to corresponding pages in the output PDF. Note that cross-file links will still work after the merge. These are links within the newly appended files. We'll also select the Bookmark First Page of each inserted file option. This adds bookmarks to the first pages of merged documents, and the file names will be used as bookmark titles. Finally, click OK to merge the documents. Now let's view the results. After processing, a report is generated. This may take some time if lots of lengthy documents are to be appended. It details the success of the merge, such as how many files have been added or failed to. For example, security-restricted PDFs cannot be appended. All successfully added files will be listed here. Click Save to save the report as a text file, and click Close to leave it. The document now contains all the linked external files, and the bookmarks will open the first page of each appended file. Visit Evermap.com for more product resources.